In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split your payment into installments at checkout. If you'd like to make a purchase without paying the full amount all at once, many online stores now offer flexible payment options directly on the checkout page. This can be a convenient way to spread out the cost over time, especially for larger purchases. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to look for and how to move through the process smoothly. To begin, navigate to the checkout screen on the website or app where you're making your purchase. This is the stage where you review your order, confirm your shipping details, and choose how you want to pay. Take a moment here to make sure everything in your cart is correct before moving forward, since payment options are usually selected at this point. Once you're on the checkout screen, look carefully at the available payment alternatives. Depending on the retailer, you may see standard choices like credit or debit card, digital wallets, or bank-based payment methods. In addition to those, some stores also offer installment services that let you divide the total into smaller payments. These options are often displayed alongside the other payment methods, so it's worth reading through the list fully before making your selection. Next, select an approved third-party service, such as Klarna or Afterpay, if one is available. These services are specifically designed to help customers split purchases into installments. When choosing one, make sure you're selecting a recognized and approved provider shown directly by the merchant at checkout. That helps ensure you're using the correct payment channel offered for that transaction. After selecting the service, follow the prompts provided on the screen to split your payment into installments. You may be guided through a short setup or confirmation process, and the provider will typically show you how the payment will be divided, including the amount due at each stage. Read each prompt carefully so you understand the payment schedule before completing the process. As you continue, pay attention to the final review screen to confirm that the installment option has been applied correctly. This is a good habit anytime you use a third-party payment service because it gives you one last chance to verify the payment structure before placing the order. And that's it. By going to the checkout screen, reviewing the payment alternatives, selecting an approved service like Klarna or Afterpay, and following the on-screen prompts, you can complete your purchase using installments in a simple and organized way.